properly, or is there any doubt? I have given you some questions. Okay, that is assignment one. I will give you. I have not given the questions from any analysis. I will give you. Actually, last 2 days I was little busy for one work, so I could not take the your activity one. I will be updating you. Don't worry. I will updating you the time. So, any doubt with this? Any doubt in the Norton's theorem? Tell me. Any doubt anybody is having? Hmm. Tell me. Any doubt anybody is having? Tell yes or no. Any doubt anyone is having?
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So now we will do number of problems.
Ma'am,
Statement.
Statement
statement, ma'am. You're gonna tell about that statement.
Statement you keep it. Keep it blank. I will tell you. I will tell
Okay.
you. Don't worry. Now we will go for another transformation. You can leave some space for the statement. I will tell you. Don't worry. Star delta, delta star and star delta transformation. Delta star and star delta transformation. This is important as well as this is difficult also. You will feel little difficult compared to other analysis. So I will request all of you listen carefully. This is important as well as it is difficult also. My voice is clearly audible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now,
थोड़ा ऊपर लेनी मैम.
so here I want to tell you that in some cases, you know what when the resistances are connected in series, when resistances are connected in series, what is the equivalent resistance? You are just adding it, right? So when they are connected in parallel, what is the equivalent resistance? If I tell you what is the equivalent resistance, then you will tell that 1 by R equivalent is equal to reciprocal sum of the reciprocal of the individual resistance, right? Suppose, so here you see the resistance are connected between these two terminals. Here these two terminals, right? Got it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So there will be, while analyzing some DC circuit, you will see that some networks are there where the resistances are neither connected in series nor they are connected in parallel. They will be connected in three terminals. Within three terminals, they will be connected. 1, 2, 3. Okay, they will be connected. So it is not possible to simplify the network by series or by parallel rule. Okay, if you are series, you can using parallel. You are using maybe when the resistance are connected in three terminals, you cannot use the series formula, nor you can use the parallel formula. So what we do it is when the resistances are connected, the resistance are connected between three terminals. If they are connected like this, three resistance are connected between three terminals. This network we call it as delta network. Am I clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
And between three terminals, same three terminals, if the resistances are connected like this, then it is called as star network. Okay.
Yes,
If so here, if the resistances are connected in between three terminals, then what you will, how you simplify, how you find out the equivalent resistance. You cannot use the series formula, nor you can use the parallel formula. So in these cases, if the resistances are connected in delta like this, if it is connected, so what we do it is we convert it into star network so that the circuit becomes easier to simplify, right? Or else vice versa. That means if the connections are in or the resistance are connected in star, we convert it into delta. And what is the aim of converting this star to delta or delta to star? Our aim of converting the delta network to star network or star network to delta network is only to simplify the circuit so that we can analyze the circuit very easily. Because when you are simplifying the circuit, when you want to find out what is the equivalent resistance, Then if the resistances are connected in series, then you can find it out by using the formula. If they're connected in parallel, you can find it out. But if they're connected within three terminals, then the circuit becomes little complicated. So what we do it is, we convert the delta, and if the resistances are connected like this, we convert it into star, or vice versa. If the resistances are connected in star, we convert it into delta. Am I clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now coming to the delta star transformation. Delta star transformation means if the resistances are connected in delta, then how we can convert it into star network. Our aim is to how we can convert three resistances connected in delta to star. Okay, so here this is your delta network where you are having three resistances between three terminals. Let this terminal is your A, this terminal is your B, and this terminal is C. Okay, between A and B, the resistance we call it as RAB, this resistance we take it as RBC, and this resistance we take it as RCA. So now this resistance, this network, we can convert it into star network. Okay. So star network, same, how will you convert? Now this delta should be electrical equivalent to the star. When you are converting, then whatever the resistance, equivalent resistance, not only resistance, equivalent resistance between A and B in a delta network, that should be equal to the equivalent resistance between A and B in the star network. It should be electrically equivalent. So when you are doing any conversion, that should be electrically equivalent, right? So when you are converting this delta to star between same three terminals A and B, whatever is the equivalent resistance between A and B in the delta network, between A and B in the star network, it should be equal. Am I clear to all of you? Is there any doubt up to this?
No.
Is there any doubt, girls?
No, ma'am.
Please
No.
repeat.
No, ma'am. No more.
So when you are finding the equivalent resistance, when you are converting the delta network to star, you should know that you are doing the you are finding the electrical equivalent of the delta network. That means whatever is the resistance between A and B terminal, that should be equal to the resistance between A and B in the star network. Okay, because you are converting the delta to star. Similarly, whatever is the equivalent resistance between B and C, so that equivalent resistance should be present in the star network. Otherwise, you cannot tell that they are both are electrical equivalent. Am I clear to all of you? Am I clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Who was asking?
Ma'am, can you repeat once?
See, you are doing the doing the conversion from delta to, this is a delta network, you are converting it to star network. So while doing the conversion, you are finding the equivalent network of the delta, that is your star network. So this star network which you are converting from delta, this should be electrically equivalent to the delta network. Now it is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now electrically equivalent means, suppose I will tell that what is the resistance between, I have the delta network. This is my given network. I have to convert it into star, right? So if I will tell you what is the resistance between terminals A and B in a network, in the delta network, resistance between A and B in delta network. This is the symbol for delta. Okay, this is the symbol for delta. So what is the resistance between A and B in the delta network? Tell me, what is the resistance between A and B? Look at the delta network and tell me what is the equivalent resistance. No, how it is? Is RCA not connected to A? Is RBC not connected to B? Then how you are telling only RAB? When RCA is connected,
RBC plus RA.
see, See, between A and B, I want. All of you look at the network properly and tell me. A and B, I want the equivalent resistance.
RCA plus RBC parallel to
RC
RAB.
plus
Yes,
RBC.
yes, very, very good. So this will be equal to, this will be connected parallel to, these two are connected in series. These two are connected in series.
ma'am.
So I can write down RAB parallel to how much? RBC plus RCA. Am I clear now, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. So now this will be equal to how much? So this will be equal to RAB multiplied with how much? RBC plus RCA divided by how much? RAB
RAB plus
RB
RBC plus
plus
RCA.
RCA. Very good. Understood, all of you?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes.
Now,
Yes,
now
ma'am.
I have told you, you are finding the electrical equivalent. Okay. So that means in the star network, when you are converting the delta to star, in the star network, the resistance between A and B, whatever the resistance was there in the delta network, same will be equal to in case of star. Okay. So what is the resistance between A and B in the star network? Tell me. After that, we will make it equal. So what is the resistance between A and B? Resistance between A and B in star network. Tell me. What is the resistance between A and B in star network? So tell me, what is the resistance? Look at the circuit and tell me.
Ma'am, in series, I think
No series parallel, I do not know. You just tell me, look at the network. Simple circuit is there. There is no complicated circuit. Tell me, let it be wrong. Let it be wrong, no issues. But answer me. What is
RA
the
plus
equivalent?
RB parallel to RC plus
R. Yes, ma'am.
Tell.
RA plus RB
Is parallel to C.
See,
RB parallel to RC plus RA.
this see one thing. This resistance RC is no way connected to the terminal A, neither is this connected to terminal B. Understood or not?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
RC
Yes, ma'am.
resistance is no way connected to A, it's no way connected to B. So what will be the equivalent resistance between A and B? This will be
RA plus
plus
RB.
the-
RA plus RB.
Understood, all of you?
Yes,
I am
ma'am.
asking to all
Yes,
of you.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Those who
Yes,
are
ma'am.
not answering, please see, you ask. It's not that those who are responding, you'll think that yes, they are responding and we will sit silent. No, you also. So resistance between A and B in star network is equal to how much? RA plus RB. Am I clear? So
Yes, ma'am.
now when you are converting the delta to star network, this should be what? This should be equal.
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 So now I will equate RA plus RB will be equal to how much? RAB multiplied with RBC plus RCA divided by how much? RAB plus RBC plus RCA. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So similarly we can write. Similarly, all of you are writing or not? Similarly,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
will RB plus RC will be equal to how much? RB plus RC will be equal to RBC multiplied with how much? RCA plus RAB divided by RAB plus RBC plus RCA. Similarly, RCA plus RA, all these are from delta network I am finding out. This will be equal to RCA multiplied with RAB plus RBC divided by how much? RAB plus RBC
Plus RC.
plus RC. Any doubt up to this? Tell me.
No, ma'am.
I forget
मैम थोड़ा
the name.
ब्लैक बोर्ड yes.
हाँ ऊपर में करती हूँ. So this one I have to name the equation. Take this as equation number 1. Then you take this as equation number 2. This is equation number 2. Take this as equation number 3. Take this as equation number 3. This one as 4. This one as 5. All of you have written up to this. Derivation is not required for your exam. In the exam, you may not get derivation. Okay. Derivation is least important. But how you have done, I cannot tell you just the formula. So that's why I have made the derivation. Understood, all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now,
Yes,
what you
ma'am.
will do it is, you will subtract. If you will subtract equation 4 from equation 3. Okay, if you will subtract equation 4 from equation 3 and add to equation number 5. If you will do it, just see equation 3, 4 and 5, what you will get? See equation 4, 3, 4 and 5. If will subtract equation 4 from equation 3 and if you will add it to 5, then what result you will get? What you will get? LHS you can see and tell.
RC plus RA.
No.
2RC.
2RA.
RA you will get.
Into water.
RB and RC will be eliminated. My aim is to find out only one unknown, that is your RA. That's why. Okay, all of you got it? Those were. So now RA you will get as RBC. This you will do it. This you will get after subtracting equation 4 from equation 3, and if you will add it to equation 5, then you will get the value of RA as RAB multiplied with RCA divided by RAB plus RBC plus RCA. Am I clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now, similarly, you will get the value of RB is equal to RBC multiplied with RAB divided by RAB plus RBC plus RCA. You will get it similarly. And RC also you will get it as RCA. How much it will be RCA? RC. RC will be equal to RCA multiplied with how much?
RBC.
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 RBC, very, very good. RAB plus RBC plus RCA. Very good. Now today you are answering very nicely. I'm happy. Understood all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now see all the delta network or delta registers values are were known to you. RAB will be known to you. RCA will be known to you. BC will be known to. All these values will be known to you. So you can find out what is the value of the RA, what is the value of RB, what is the value of RC. These are all star values. Am I clear or not?
Yes,
Am I
ma'am.
clear or not? So now what you have done, you have converted the delta network to the equivalent, electrical equivalent star network. Star network and delta network both are electrically equivalent. As you have seen, what is the resistance between A and B? When it was connected in delta network, same between A and B in the star network, these resistance are equal. Yes or no? So from that itself, you can tell that both are electrically equivalent. So, but why you are doing the conversion? You are doing the conversion to analyze the circuit easily. Otherwise, the circuit becomes complicated. You cannot use the series formula, nor you can use the parallel formula. Okay, got it, all of you? What we have done?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very, very good. So now what you will do it is how to remember. See, derivation is, you may not get derivation in your exam, but a circuit will be given to you, the delta network, you have to convert it into star. So immediately you have to use the formula. You cannot remember RA is equal to RAB, RC divided by so much. So how to remember, I will tell you. Easily how to remember. So how to remember? How to remember if a delta network is there How will you convert it into star? So any arm in which network you require? Any arm of star network. Okay, you are converting delta to star. Any arm in star, any arm in star connection, sorry, connection or network will be equal to how much? Tell me. This is in star. This is equal to how much? Tell me. This is equal to how much? We had an star delta network like this. Okay. So this is RAB, this is RBC, this is RCA. Look at here, how you will remember. Now between all these three terminals, what you are doing? You are converting the delta to star network. Understand it properly because it will feel difficult. So this is my, which one? RA, this is which one? RB,
RB,
this is which one? This is
RC.
RC. So when you are finding out RA, any arm in star. So when you are finding out RA, look at the formula, how you have found it out. It is the product of the two resistance connected to that terminal. Listen to me carefully. This is your A point. Okay, so while finding out the any arm in star network, that is equal to the product of those two resistances connected to that terminal only. Understood? Understood? Divided,
Can you
product
repeat
of,
once again?
I am finding out, suppose I am finding out RA. Look at here. I am finding out RA. Listen to me carefully. I am finding out the RA which is connected to the terminal A. My aim is to find out any arm in star. So that is equal to the product of those two terminals connected to that, product of those two resistances connected to that terminal. What are the resistance connected to that terminal?
RAB and RC.
Here you see, you have got it. Divided by the sum of the delta network, divided by the sum of the delta resistance. Understood, all of you?
Yes,
Got
ma'am.
it?
Yes, ma'am.
Very easily you can remember. So what is the any arm in star connection is equal to the product of what? Product of two adjacent arms in delta divided by what?
Total number.
Sum of
Sum of
all the resistance.
arms of delta. Clear? This,
Yeah.
if you can remember, simple. Circuit any star, just you, delta network will be known to you. Just you make the multiplication of these two, then sum of the delta network. Easy or not? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So now come to, so this is how we have converted the delta to star. Now we will convert what? Star to delta. We will convert star to, all of you have written, or I will show you anywhere, anything.
Yes, ma'am,
All of you
written.
have written. Very good.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now, very good. So now come to star delta transformation. Star network will be, you have to trace the star network. You have to trace the star network and you will convert it into delta. Star delta transformation. Now, what you will, I have forgot to take the, sorry, write down the equation. Take this as equation number 6. Take this as equation number 6. Equation number 5 was this one, no? This as equation number 7. This was equation number 8. Okay, done it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what you will do it is, you just divide equation 6 with 7. Divide equation 6 by equation 7. So what you will get? Tell me. What you will get? RA divided by RB you will get. Look at your equation.
Yes,
Cannot
ma'am.
do it.
Yes, ma'am.
RA by RB will be equal to how much?
RCA by RBC.
Very
RCA
good.
by
RBC. Very, very good. So this implies RCA will be equal to how much? RA multiply with RBC divided by how much? RB. Okay. Now similarly you divide equation 6. Equation 6 by equation number 8. What you will get? RA divided by how much? RC will be equal to how much? RAB divided by how much? RBC. Miss, you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Suprashad,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Ritika,
Yes, ma'am.
you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So now you have got this one. Now from here you will get this implies what you are getting.
RAB.
RAB will be equal to RA multiply with RBC
RBC
divided by
divided by RB.
RB or RC? RC.
RC.
RC, sorry, ma'am.
Okay. So this one you will get. Now what you will do it is you will substitute the value of RCA and RB. Sorry, RAB. Substitute the value of RCA and RAB. Substitute RCA and RAB in equation number 6. Which one is equation number 6? This one. Here, what you will do? You will substitute in this equation. Got it? Got it? All of
Yes,
you?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now,
Yes,
what you will do it is, if you will substitute, you will get the value of RBC. You will get the value of RBC is equal to RB plus RC plus RB into RC divided by RA. Okay, you will get this one. Similarly, you will get RCA is equal to RC plus RA plus RC into RA divided by RB. And last one you will get RAP is equal to RA plus RB plus RA into RB divided by how much? So this is the formula of the delta values. All of you got it, or is there any doubt? Tell me. Soham, you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. This is sincere. Written all of you?
एक मिनट
Wait, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Now I will
थोड़ा सा
tell
ऊपर
you
स्क्रॉल करिए
this one.
यस मैम डन
Okay, correct.
मैम ये सारा मैम एक जगह नहीं है मैम पीडीएफ में कोई
PDF.
यस मैम
क्यों तुम नहीं लिखते हो क्या?
मैम लिख रहे हैं मैम
तो फिर लिख तो रहे हो और PDF क्यों कर रहे हो? इसको मैं PDF करके भेज दूंगी, अपलोड कर दूंगी, ठीक है?
हाँ मैम
इसको PDF करके I will upload it.
यस
Okay.
थैंक यू
So now what you will do it is how you remember it. That is important because derivation you may not be getting. I'm telling you. Okay. So now here the star network is given. RA, RB, RC. It is given. Okay. Now what you will do it is You will convert into between these three terminals. What you will do? You will draw which network? Delta.
Delta network.
Delta network.
Okay. So any arm, so how to remember it? Resistance between any two terminals of delta. These two terminal, like it A, B and C. So how to remember? फॉर्मूला भी दे रहे हो, कैसे रिमेम्बर भी करोगे वो भी दे रहे हो. जिसका वहां पर मैं देखूंगी एग्जाम में तुम लोगों का 20 से जिसका 18 आया है, 18 से बिलो मुझे एक्सप्लेन करेंगे व्हाई यू हैव गॉट. ओके, होल क्लास विल एक्सप्लेन. नाउ व्हाट इज द resistance between any two terminals of delta? Resistance between any two terminals of delta will be equal to how much? Will be equal to, tell me. Here this is the resistance between any two terminals of delta. So this is equal to, this is your RAB. Listen to me carefully. This is RBC. Where you will not be able to understand, tell me. So between any two terminals of the delta, this will be equal to how much? Sum of star resistance. This is what? Star resistance. This is what? Star resistance.
Yes, ma'am.
Sum of star resistances. Sum of star resistances connected to those two terminals. Connected to those two terminals. Yes or no? Just check it. Whatever you are writing already, I have given you the formula. You just check it whether it is correct or not. This is RCA. Suppose I am taking this as RCA. RCA is equal to how much? Sum of the star resistance connected to that terminal. That means it is RC means it is connected to the terminal C. RA means it is connected to the terminal A. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Plus,
Yes, ma'am.
plus what? Product of those two resistance. Product of
Okay, which platform it is?
same two resistance. Product of same two resistance divided by how much?
The one which is not.
Yes, ma'am.
Divided by the third star resistance. Simple sentence में लिखती हूँ. Divided by the third star resistance. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Very easily now you can do the conversion. Easily नहीं कर पाओगे. Difficult लगेगा. Written all of you, I will do 2 problems. Written all of you.
Ma'am, 1
Yes.
minute.
Yes.
Take it.
Ma'am, just a minute.
Resistance between any two terminals of delta is equal to sum
We are
of
done
star
the video
resistance connected to those two terminals plus product of same two resistance divided by the third star resistance.
Yes, ma'am.
Written all of you. ମୁଁ ନେଇଯିବି ଗଲା ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ନେଇଯିବି ଗଲା ବେଳକୁ. All of you have written? All of you have written?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now
Yes,
we
ma'am.
will do problem number 1. ମୁଁ ନେଇଯିବି ଗଲା ବେଳକୁ ଗୋଟେରେ. ମୁଁ ନେଇଯିବି. So now come to the problem number 1. This is your 4 ohm resistor. Swiss 4 ohm. This one is E2. Let this is 4O. This one is 4O. This one is E2. This is 6O. 4O. This is E2. You have to find out what is the equivalent resistance between A and B. You have to find out RAB resistance between A and B. What is the equivalent resistance? All of you have drawn the circuit?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you do it, then look to my board. After that you will do. This problem I am doing it. See, while solving a star to delta transformation or delta to star transformation, first step is you point out 3 terminals and see whether the resistance are connected in star or they are connected in delta. That is your first step. You have to identify 3 points where the resistances are connected in series, or their resistances are connected in delta or they are connected in star. Now look at here. All of you look at, after that you will draw. Okay. So now here you see, I will take 3 resistors where they are connected between 3 terminals. This is the first terminal, this is second, this one is your third terminal. Okay. So now here between these 2 terminals here, between this terminal and this terminal, you see what is the resistance connected? 8 ohm resistance is connected. Yes or no? And so now here, can I draw the resistance like this? Can I draw the resistance like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
here what I will do it is star delta problem तुम लोग जब solve कर रहे हो ना वहाँ पर पेन पेंसिल रखना, पेंसिल रबर, ठीक है? So now what you will do it is I will rob this one. Can I rob this one? Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now you see how easily I can solve it. Now this is your 8 ohm. Yes or no? Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So now I will identify these 3 points. These 3 points, they are connected in delta. I will convert it into what? I will convert it into star. So first what I will do it is, I will draw the star network first. Between same 3 terminals, you can draw the star network. Yes or no? Got it or not? Have I connected in star? All of you girls, are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what is use the formula? I have told you how easily you can remember the formula. Use the formula and tell me what is the value of this star resistance. What is the value? Delta is known to you. What is the value of this star?
4.
What is the formula? Tell me. Product of the resistance of the 2 resistance connected to that terminal divided by the sum of the arms of the delta.
Yes.
Okay, this will be 4 into 8 divided by 4 plus 8 plus 6. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you understood or not?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
This
ma'am.
will be 6 into, tell. Any doubt, tell. 4 plus 8 plus 6. This resistance will be how much?
4
6
into
into
6.
4
4 into
divided
6.
by 4 plus 8 plus 6. All of you got it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now what I will do, I have converted the delta to star. Now what I will do it is, star delta जब करना वहाँ पर पेंसिल यूज कर लेना, ठीक है? So now what I will do, I will rob this delta network because I have converted into star, equivalent star I have converted. I will just rob the delta because I have already converted the equivalent, electrical equivalent, that is your star network. So I have robbed the delta network. Understood all of you now? Anyone having doubt anywhere, tell me. I will draw it again. All of you got it or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So now I have got all the resistance. You tell me quickly what is the 6 into 8, 48 divided by how much? Denominator is
18.
18.
18.
18.
24 divided by 18. This is how much? This is also
32
24.
32.
Ma'am, that is 32. Ma'am, 4 into 8.
32 divided by 18.
Which one?
ऊपर वाला.
मैम ऊपर वाला
ऊपर वाला, मैम.
जहाँ पर
4 into 8.
32.
Oh, अच्छा.
Part
This
32
is
by
32.
okay. This is your 32, na? This one is 32 divided by how much? 18. This is 24 divided by 18.
18.
Right. So now I will draw the circuit properly. This is 4 ohm. This one is how much? This is your. This is now the circuit is like this. This is how much? 32 divided by 18. This is how much? 40. Check it. This is how much? 24
24.
divided by
24 by 18.
Ma'am, by 18, ma'am.
Ma'am, 18, ma'am.
Yes,
12
yes,
like this.
yes,
48 by
yes. This is 18. And this one is how much? This one is 4 ohm, na? This
Yes,
is
ma'am.
8 ohm.
8.
Yes.
Okay.
8 ohm.
Now what I will do? These two are connected in series. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
These
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
and these two are connected in series. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
These
Yes,
two are
ma'am.
connected in series, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? So now what is here? I can draw this one. What is the value? 32 by 18 plus 4. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now here I am having two resistance. What is the value here? Here it will be 48 divided by 18 plus how much? 4.
4.
4.
This is 24 divided by 18 plus 8.
8 ohm.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear to all of you? So now now this becomes circuit becomes easy. Now you can solve it. What is the equivalent resistance? This is you are having two resistance here. Okay. What is this one? 24 divided by 18 plus 8 parallel with how much? 48 divided by 18 plus
4.
4. This is two are connected in parallel. Then this is in series. So now you can find out what is the equivalent resistance. Just you will add these two.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes or no?
Okay, ma'am.
You see how easily you can solve it using star delta network.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt? Anybody having? Tell me.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
You are feeling difficult. Star delta.
No,
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
अच्छा ठीक है और एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करो. This problem I am giving related to a Wheatstone bridge, but you will not solve using Wheatstone bridge. You will solve using star delta network, star delta transformation. Number 2. This is 10 ohm. This is 10 ohm. This is 10 ohm. This one is 10 ohm. This is 10 ohm. You will solve using delta star transformation. AB. Find out the equivalent resistance between A and B. Find RAB. जल्दी करो 5 मिनट करो ये प्रॉब्लम और एक 5 मिनट और एक प्रॉब्लम करो. Which three terminals are there where the resistance are connected in series or they are connected in parallel? Tell me. You name this one, let this be, you take this as C, take this as D.
Yes, ma'am. Doing.
Okay. Okay, do. Can you tell me what are the three terminals? You have to identify first the three terminals.
ACD.
I'm confused. A, C, D. So between A and C, take this as A, C, and take this as a D. Okay, between A and C, what is the resistance? 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Look at here. Between C and D, 10.
10.
Okay. Between A and D, it is also 10.
10.
Yes or no? Okay. Between C and B, what is the resistance? 10. And C and D, the resistance is 10. Between D and B, the resistance is 10. So here, I will take a point terminal B, and here in between D and B, the resistance is how much? Look at my board. D and B, what is the resistance?
10.
10, ma'am.
10.
10. Another between C and B, what is the
Yes,
resistance?
ma'am.
Ma'am,
10.
C and B
10, ma'am.
also, it is 10 ohm. Now it is correct or not? Tell me. Circuit.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct or not?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you got it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So now my aim is to identify three terminals. I will identify C, then B, then D. These are my three terminals. Okay. So between C and B, I am having 10 ohm. Between C and D, 10 ohm. D and B, 10 ohm. Okay. So here, can I rub this one? Look at my board, all of you. I can draw this resistance so that it will look like a delta. This is 10 ohm. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? Tell me, all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes,
what I
ma'am.
will do it is, I will. Where it has gone? Yes. So now what I will do it is, I will rob this one. Is it correct? Tell me. No doubt.
No, ma'am.
Very good. So now what I will do, I have the delta network. These three are the three terminals. I will draw first the delta star network. First, what you do it na? You draw a star network. Then what you will do, I will drop the delta network. What is my equivalent resistance? Tell me first. What is this resistance? 10 into 10 divided by 1000.
20 by 3.
2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3.
2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3. This is 2 by 3. This is 2 by 3. This is 2 by 3. Okay. So now what I will do, I have converted.
Ma'am, I think I made a mistake.
मैं वो 20 by 3 होना
1
चाहिए.
to 10 ना, so 100 होगा. हाँ, sorry.
मैम 100
100 by 3.
10 by 3 आता है
by
मैम
3 होगा.
मैम 10 by 3 आ जाएगा
10
by
by 3. Yes, ma'am. 10 by 3.
Sorry,
Okay. No issues. 10 by 3, na?
Yes,
10
ma'am.
by 3, 10 by 3, 10 by 3. Okay. So now what I will do, I will drop the delta network. It's not required because I've already converted the delta to star. Okay. So this one I have converted to star. Now it's okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
This is your 10 by 3. This is 10 by 3. This is 10 by 3. Now here you see, we can write these resistance which are connected in series, tell me. This connected in series. This one is also connected in series. This is also connected in series. All will be add. Yes or no, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Same current is flowing in this, sir. Yes or no?
Yes,
So 10 plus 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay?
yes, ma'am.
So now you can easily find out.
Ma'am, please repeat this step.
25 by 3
You do. Now I have already done. Now you do it. You will find out. Your aim is to find out the resistance between A and B. You have to find out what is the resistance between A and B. So now tell me. So this is your resistance 10 ohm. This one is your what? This is your 10 ohm. No, this is 10 by 3, right? This is 10 by 3 ohm. This is 10 by 3 ohm. Then this one is 10 ohm. Then this is your A. This is your 10 ohm. And this is your 10 by 3 ohm. This is the circuit.
आंसर 10 आएगा क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, आंसर यहाँ पर कितना आएगा? ये तुम्हारा B टर्मिनल है. How much it is coming?
10.
10 ohms, 10 ohms. RAB.
RAB नहीं मैम पूरा हाँ RAB पूरा.
You have to find out A and B, between
Yes,
A and
yes,
B.
ma'am.
So
हाँ,
these
10
two are
10
resistance are connected in series. These two are resistances are connected in series. These two are connected in series, right? Got it, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, have you solved? All of you have got 10 ohm?
Yes, ma'am.
10 ohm or not?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Got it, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Last question I am giving you. You will do it at your home. Time हो गया. तुम लोग क्या class है?
Ma'am, mathematics.
Physics.
Physics है? Physics है.
Physics.
Achha, sorry, physics.
So I will say one question. I am doing it and I am sending you. You will do it. Today only you will do it. And one activity assignment I have given you
Yes, ma'am.
and uploaded in the Google Class.
Ma'am,
बोलो.
ma'am, can we submit our poster presentation or we have to present only?
No, you will not submit. You will present. बोलो.
The questions you have given, the last question in that assignment, we have to solve it by star delta.
No star delta. Star delta I have not taught you. Only simple conversion, series parallel conversion you will do.
Okay.
Ma'am, वो normal है पांचों.
Normal. No analysis.
Okay,
Only
ma'am.
normal. Analysis का questions मैं दूंगी next में.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
So here star delta connection में तुम लोग ये करोगे क्या? You will find out the current in this one, 10 ohm. This current you will find it out. I will share the board. Okay?
Ma'am, ये हमारा question है homework.
हाँ, ये homework है.
मैम वो लास्ट वाला 13 ओम है या 15 ओम है?
कौन सा वाला?
13.
ये 13 है.
मैम थोड़ा
ठीक
ऊपर
है?
कीजिएगा board थोड़ा.
ठीक है? ये 30 ohm. This is 30. You have to find current in 10 ohm resistor using star delta. Mesh analysis, nodal analysis, Thevenin, Norton कुछ नहीं चलेगा. Using only star delta transformation. Star delta, delta star, whatever. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
चलो, leave, जाओ.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, चलो.
ଅଛି ସେ ତ ଘରେ ତଳ ଘର କାମ ଚାଲିଛି